back and an early Merry Christmas. I am off, so I decided to create a video that I would be interested in watching that doesn't have to do with cleaning, and that is what's inside every cabinet, drawer, and dresser of the entire house. Before we get started, I wanted to remind you that we have 3 kids. Luke is in college, so he's moved out and living in an apartment. Kinley's in 7th grade and Harper is in 2nd grade. So I'm gonna start in the kitchen because that's where I'm at, and I will share organization tips as I show what's inside all the cabinets and drawers. Here's the kitchen before I show you what's inside everything. And I'm gonna start over here above the refrigerator. In this cabinet, I keep items that I use for parties, cookbooks, lighters, and then the dog's medicine, fridge and freezer. I got these baskets from Dollar Tree and they're good to hold Jell-O and yogurt. I also got these baskets from Dollar Tree and I use them to hold ice packs and popsicles. Next to the fridge is this cabinet where we keep plates, bowls, mugs, and cups. Next to the dishwasher are pans and cutting boards. Under the sink, this drawer. In this cabinet, I keep hand sanitizer, trash bags, and dish soap. I got these baskets from Dollar Tree, and I also got this little shelf behind here that's holding candles from Dollar Tree. Next to the sink is our charging station and mail area. In this drawer, silverware, I got this from Bed Bath & Beyond. Under here is kind of random things. I have egg cartons. I love farm fresh eggs, so after we use them, we return them to the people who gave us them. Down here is just extra napkins and plasticware. Next is the junk drawer, and I got all these organizers from Dollar Tree. If you can't tell, I love Dollar Tree. Underneath it, chips and pretzels. Got all these from Dollar Tree. And I got this basket from Hobby Lobby. Across the sink, on the kitchen island, dish towels and medicine cups. Below that is crock pots and other cookware. Next to this cabinet is plastic baggies, tin foil, and underneath it is Tupperware. After the island, we have kitchen table and art area. Harper loves to do art. I purchased this from Walmart. Here is blank paper and sketch pads, her paintings, and at the bottom drawer are coloring books and her binder of drawings she has done. In this cabinet, which I think is for China, but we don't have it, is more art things. These buckets came from Dollar Tree. We have a spinner right here that came from Walmart. And then down here, more art things. Most of the containers came from Dollar Tree and some came from Walmart. Next to the kitchen table are Mandy's toys. Coming around, art table for Harper. In this cabinet, adult beverages, cups, medicine cabinet. Down here, measuring cups and baking things. Barbecue tools. And then snacks and breakfast items. Again, most of these buckets came from Dollar Tree. We need to go to the store. And these baskets came from Dollar Tree. Next to the medicine cabinet, oils, salt and pepper, and mixes. Then my favorite drawer, the spices. Above the stove are more spices that don't fit in the spice cabinet. Below the stove are pots and pans. Next to the stove, we have more baking items, And down here are spoons and spatulas we typically use. Coffee and teas. And pastas. Next cabinet has canned goods. Down here are more cooking things that we don't typically always use. Over here is hot pads. Below there are more baking pans and mixing bowls. Last is above the microwave and oven. We have more cooking things, sweets, and below the microwave and oven are lunch boxes and cooling racks. Finished the kitchen, and if you did not know, I love Dollar Tree. So now I'm gonna move to the playroom, which is just right next to the kitchen. Here's the playroom before I show you everything in it. There's horse stable with all of her horses, another bin that has more toys. I think I got these from Target. Here are her Disney princesses that we got from Disney World, her little critters. Then I got this from Walmart that has just a bunch of toys and stuff in it. Then more bins with more toys. I spray painted these. Another bin, I'm pretty sure these came from Target. Her little ice cream truck Barbie van. This came from Walmart. Her Barbie clothes, Barbie dolls, and then the Barbie house. And here's the couch with Mandy. Behind the playroom area is to the backyard. And then behind that is Luke's room. Again, he has moved out to college. His room is very bare and there's not a whole lot to show. His drawers are empty. Here's his bathroom area and closet of clothes he still needs to get or go through. After Luke's room, coming back through playroom, kitchen. This area is the garage entry. Up here, I keep a calendar, tried to for a family menu. I need to change it since Luke moved out. Try to keep a menu for dinner. Then over here, jackets, purses, and then over here is the laundry room. And I'll show you what's in it. We have another fridge and freezer. Top, we keep extra drinks. In the freezer, I got this shelf from Dollar Tree. Again, we have a lot of extras because it's Christmas and we do Christmas over here. Drinks. Pirate's litter box. I keep this basket for missing mates to socks. Then up here, laundry detergent. And then over here is ironing and light bulbs. Dirty laundry hamper. Up here is swimming pool things. My favorite cabinet is my cleaning cabinet. Then I keep a trash can up here for lint. Kevin installed 2 shower rods to hang drying clothes. This is another junk random drawer. Over here is sunscreen and bug spray. Down here are towels that we don't typically use and extra rugs and a quilt. Over here are the towels that we do use when we go to the pool. This cabinet right here is more storage containers. I put duct tape on them to label it. I got this from Walmart and these from Dollar Tree. And then in this cabinet is just extra storage of cereal, potatoes, onions, and drinks. Leaving the laundry room, coming through the kitchen. Here's the entryway with the tumbling track. And down here is a closet. I just keep a bunch of random stuff, bags, vacuum, and the Crosswave Pet Pro. That's the entrance to the front door. And then here's the living room area. And I only have 2 drawers over here. Decorations that will go up after Christmas, an old laptop, and then over here is another old laptop with some manuals and some old remotes. Leaving the living room, and we're gonna go to the girls' rooms and hallway. Right here. Here's another closet with blankets and luggage. Here's Harper's room. And in her drawers, pajamas, shorts, undies and socks, and pants. Over here, her nightstand. Kind of the things that she just wants to keep in it. And blankets. Here's her closet. I got these drawers from Walmart, which keeps her dress up, more dress up, her LOLs, and then right here, just more of her things. Pom-poms, and then I have another set over here, swimsuits, winter wear, and her camera stuff. Now to their bathroom. Here's their bathroom. Up here are towels and extras, and then Kinley's things. Below their sink, toilet paper, headbands, and a shower scrubby. In this drawer, hair things, bows, more bows. In this drawer, toothpaste, toothbrush chargers, fingernail clippers. And down here are blow dryer, mirror, and Kinley's little makeup stuff. And then here's Kinley's room. And here's what's in her dresser. Undies, socks, pajamas, undergarments, denim shorts, and athletic shorts. Over here at her desk, in this drawer, just a bunch of her things that needs to be organized, or nightstand. Just some of her own things. Other side of her bed, and I got this from Walmart. Blankets, pillows, and electronics. Here's her closet. Leaving the girls' hallway. Coming back to the kitchen. There's Pirate. Laundry room, and here's our bedroom right here. This is where Mandy sleeps. Toy box. TV up here. Again, it's a bunch of decor. Down here is more. I promise it's organized. And then over here, this dresser has party decorations and decor in it. organized all of it. Right here is Pirate's scratch board. And then coming in is our bathroom. Right here, I'll show what's all in the cabinet. A vanity over here. I'm going quick on this because I already posted a video on it. Roll your towels like this to save space. Dental, eye and other care, fingernail polish, and down here is just more extra. Shower, my vanity, already did a video on this, but I'll show like a quick thing. This came from Dollar Tree. This came from Dollar Tree. Next to the bathroom is our closet, which I can't believe I'm showing. It's very unorganized in an organized way. Inside these drawers, my undergarments, Kevin's drawer. I got these baskets from Dollar Tree. Right here, and then I got these from Walmart. My drawer, these from Walmart. Athletic drawer, just things thrown in. And the bottom drawer, pajamas. Over here in these bins, like I said, just random things. This is Kevin's side. Whatever you want to call that. Shirts. Shorts and swim shorts. Then my side, I'm not gonna pull everything out because things will fall. Old videotapes, I need to send in and get those redone. Pictures, hats, more hats, scarves, and then up there are gifts that I haven't used yet. Finish the vlog. Now I'm gonna sit in the recliner, watch Netflix, and stay warm. It is 22 degrees where we are. So I hope you all have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and we'll see y'all later. Bye.